Hi guys, welcome to this video about how to reinstall the print key on your PC. For example, with Windows 10, when print key is not working anymore, that happens a lot of time because a lot of programs are using or assigning the print key in Windows 10. So you had maybe one thing or one program where it was working, like making a screenshot or really print something or whatsoever, and the new program came and you just clicked on OK, and you didn't realize that it was overwriting the print key settings. So how you can reinstall that, that's pretty much the same thing for every program. Here I'm showing you one sample with this, it's called, don't ask me anymore. Yeah, it's some kind of screenshot tool. So anyway, go to the tool where you want to reinstall it and go to the options. So here we have the options here, and usually it's called hotkeys. I mean, I think in 99% of all the programs there is this thing like a tab or a part of the options which is called hotkeys. And here, unfortunately, it is in German, but basically this means print. But if some other program registered that for the other program, it will still be here, but still not working. So what can you do? You can deactivate it in the program which you want to work and then press OK. And then go another time to the same program, same options, again to hotkey, and then activate it again and then click OK. So in IT, I don't know how it's called in English. In German it's called something like a pseudo mutation, or if I tell you the German expression nobody will understand, but it's like a simulated modification. It's a little bit hard to really translate it one-to-one into English. So to explain you how this works is that this option which you see here, this is not directly linked to the Windows 10 settings. Only when you click on this thing here on the hotkey, and when it's not activated, like it's unchecked, and you press OK, then the program will go into Windows 10 settings and change it. So it does not have a direct link to the Windows, it is just changing it. So to redo it, you have to first deactivate and then activate it again. Of course, it's not a permanent fix. I mean, it could change anytime. Anytime if you install a new program with a Windows, like a print key, and you install it, and it will ask if you want to override the print key settings, and you click OK, and you don't check what really happens, then it will be not working again. But at least you know how to claim your print key back to the program where you want it to work. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.